Hello friends, welcome everyone to Pandas Tasty World. Today we are planning to review and unbox and review Spigen back case, Rugged Armor back case for Oneplus 70. So we have ordered it from Amazon.in. So let's open the package and see um, how it is. So I have cut this one already. So let me take the pack out. Okay, cool. That's a nice packing. Something you want. Yes, we want something. This is OnePlus 70 Rugged Armor case, and the back side. It's okay. So let us open this one. You just have to play it like this, and okay. Let me pull the case out. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, it's a pretty nice cover. See, it has given a design the top and the bottom. This looks like carbon fiber, but it is not. It's something called TPU. It's a new thing, TPU material, and the back side has a matte finish, and on the side also it has given a matte finish on the both sides, and cuttings for the power and the speakers, and also the side buttons also given, volume up, volume down. And the most important thing about this case is that the camera protection that it has given. See, this is kind of groove kind of thing. It has given a good piece of reinforcement in the camera area. So, and yeah, when we come to the front side, it's again the rubber TPU material, and they have given a webnet kind of design, and they have given their branding there, and also they have mentioned it's air cushion technology. So even if it is fell down, it will be like the air will be absorbed, and it should give a good protection. So let us try to put our OnePlus 70 smartphone to this case, and see how it fits. So let us invite OnePlus 70 to the Spigen, and let's see how it fits. So I'm putting this one, the OnePlus 70, on top and squeezing it down and pressing the top corners. Here we go. So yeah, it looks very nice. Look at the power button. It has a good piece of cutting. The speakers, the side power button, you could see the rubber coating they have given. It's good, pretty cool. And they have given a good groove here for the volume, the silent button. Yeah, it has got a good play. And top also they have given a hole, and on the right side they have given volume up and down. There it's again a rubber coating has been given. But the main thing that we need to discuss with this particular case is that the camera protection this particular case gives. So as I already told, there is very good reinforcement they have given, and we could see that even if it fell down, it will give a good protection to the camera underneath. So in no chance, there are no chance at all that the camera will fall down and touch the ground. And when we come to the front side again, so in the front side also it is giving a very good protection on the top. It has a good piece of it is slightly pushed up. So and the it's overall it's a good, pretty decent case, and it's very convenient to handy. It's very handy. It's not bulky actually. But the one thing, but the one main problem that we observed is that see, when you are using the official screen protector, there's a chance that this Pygen will squeeze it up and push it outside, and there's chance of bubbles and all coming out. So right now I have not put the official screen protector, so I'm right now I'm not feeling any problem here. So other than that, our overall review out of 10, we are happy to give it as 8.5. Only problem is that the gripness, we expected some kind of grip in the sideways, so that because it needs more grip on the side, right, for handy. And also the fitness with the official smart, the screen protector. So other than that, you should definitely go for this particular thing. And we got it from amazon.in for a price of 699, and the actual price is 1700. So guys, that's it for today. How we hope that we have enjoyed our video. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.